look. He redid it.
He put some, look, he put some seats in.
What did he just...
I read this about this car in a magazine or something. This is one of a kind, made for a church. And he bought it. Maybe it was the guy I was talking to. He bought it.
Did you talk to
from
him?
the church, yeah. Last year. And all the doors. You had the middle doors. They were handmade.
This is also the same way that he had a broken foot, and by the end of the day, I'm hoping he had pain on his head. He's sleep with you. He's like this, and it was a broken foot.
Then they took him to the hospital.
That's the greatest story ever. Fuzzy's best story ever. We took him to the hospital that day, right? Drunk as hell. I had to pick him up, physically put him in the truck.
See?
Mix your favorite flavors with ice cream and create your own freeze. They're out of this world. Get a free sample of Polish water ice. Again, we got cherry, blue raspberry, mango, and a host of other flavors. Try something refreshing. Great flavors and prices that can't be beaten. How about a free sample of Polish water ice? Remember, nice and smooth and creamy, and there's no fat, no cholesterol, no dairy. Come on up and get your free sample of Polish water ice. Come on up and get your free sample of Polish.
Right out of the showroom, basically, erased it. Look, now it doesn't even have lights. They're all stickers.
This ain't white. Everything in the car is fake.
It's a real car.
Well, even the whites are fake. AAA. Use it for all it's worth.
I did a little bit more motion.